I reckon it's you two. You're so used to fumbling with your peckers and your bollocks half the time. You've got to keep fumbling with something, and you keep fucking the mics up. Right, that's on. That's on. Right then, Linton, here we come. It's fucking Honda Jazz with the roof box. Now this Jazz with the roof box looks like the Pope-mobile. I'm expecting to see the Pope stood up in there waving his little hand. Oh dear, I think I've made big mistake number one today. My Mic 2 I had paired to the 360 when I had both mics. So the Mic 2 hasn't been recording to a camera all the way here. But luckily I've got Float 32 on, so I will have the audio file. But now I might have to pull over. Is this a spot? Yeah, I'm going to pull in. It's recording to the 360 because I've just turned the 360 on. So I need to put that back to the Action 5. Yeah, see, I don't want any mics connected to that 360 because that's going to be going on and off like a yo-yo. Then let's try again. This is the legendary Porlock Hill. The old Nadgery hairpins. Are you there?
I am.
We're here.
Right, yeah, we're just listening to your commentary.
I thought that had cut off for a minute as well.
No, it's just being quiet listening to you.
I cycled up this bastard.
Did you?
Yeah.
Was that when you did Land's End on the Groats?
No, it was when we were training for the Land's End John O'Groats.
Ah. Oh, I can smell clutch already.
Yeah, on that Land Rover.
Yeah.
Stinks.
Second gear on that corner, no problem at all.
I don't know what I'm in.
Drive.
Yeah,
Are you in tour mode or sport mode?
sport. Just keep the gears low.
Yeah, hands on to a little bit longer.
Yeah.
I think I might select number 1 for this corner. See, I think that's just as bad as I thought.
Yeah, that one is, isn't it?
Just a lot smoother. It's look ahead and don't go when you've got some idiot coming down. Be fine.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm glad I gave up smoking years ago. Otherwise, my nostrils wouldn't have been highly tuned to the scent of this Land Rover.
It's bad, isn't it?
How they ever deem diesel to be environmentally fucking friendly, I'll never know.
Matey boy didn't bite when I...
Alright. Sorry, Niall.
Hey?
Sorry, I interrupted.
No, I was going to say Matey boy didn't bite when I commented on that video when it said ST1300 takeoff. And I can't...
Yeah.
Oh yes, that's right, yeah.
I said take off, I've had turds come out of my asshole faster. But he hasn't bitten yet. I'll tell you what, it's a tad blowy for the drones.
Yes,
Isn't
it is.
it?
It's very gusty up here.
Yeah, definitely a stiff one.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the toll road on your right, isn't it?
Oh, was it?
I think so, yeah. I'm not through there. But I don't think we've gone past the junction yet.
That comes out up here a bit further up, doesn't it?
That's it, yeah.
Up through those trees.
That's got some nice little hairpins on it as well.
Yeah.
£1.50 I think it is.
Was it?
Yeah. It's only just enough to cover bloke's wages. It sits on the toll gate.
Was he?
Yeah, didn't it come out here? Yeah, toll road.
I believe so, yeah.
Look, toll road. Cattle grid.
With our receipt box,
This will make nice footage.
that was going to be one of my suggestions for Al's photo calendars. Get an old AA box in it.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
right.
That would narrow it down for lots of people, wouldn't it?
Wouldn't it?
Yeah.
457 photos from West Country.
All the same one, yeah.
I believe there's one still in Wales.
Is there?
I believe so. I haven't seen it myself.
Yes, there is. It is because we found it when we went through. Bollocks.
I've never heard of that place.
That's going
Have you
to
not?
bug the shit out of me now, you bastard.
Google.
Yeah, car coming on this bend. Keep their bush nicely trimmed.
You can't beat it.
I need a flail mower, you know. I need a flail mower. I need a flail mower in my life. One I can stick to my 2.5 ton digger. I can do all the tops of the hedges. Oh, rather than get up on a big tripod and do it.
You have to have a word
A bit
with the
overkill for
boss
my window box. Oh yeah, my Android Auto is fucking playing about now.
man. Is it?
Now I've dipped out of the Android Auto screen to look at me
Oh, see, you fiddle.
dashboard.
You fucking
Yeah,
fiddle, see?
it won't go back now. It's having a fucking hissy fit.
Fucking fiddler.
Have you tried screaming at the unit?
I tried that, yeah. I've tried insulting it. I've tried threatening it.
And no luck.
No,
It does make you feel bad, doesn't it?
it does.
I think
I
it's one of
want
the
a bright
greatest.
cafe here. Oh.
There is a tea room.
There is.
He got a 360. I thought it was a fucking Dodgem car coming to start.
He's got a bigger one than you, Todd.
I'm all right with me button mushroom. Bastards.
Don't tell me you got something against them as well, have you?
Yeah, fucking mobile roadblocks. I have to admit, and I'm not going to say it because I don't really want to tempt fate. Yes, I will. Fuck it. It's nowhere near as busy as I was expecting it to be.
No.
I was thinking the same thing, but I didn't want to say it.
Yeah, fuck it.
Oh well. It's
But I'll tell you what though, if we try and get into Linton, or Lynmouth, shall I say, down on the front, we'll probably have no chance, will we?
Nah. You can't do this, can you, Nick?
No, I'm afraid not.
Can you not flick it into neutral?
Not while you're moving, no.
We landed up like Crazy Frog all the time. You know,
See.
you little
He
bastard.
never even flinched.
No, he had good road sense, did he?
Yeah.
I'm going to fucking stay here.
I should have stuck my foot out and kicked him up the arse.
Might have been wearing a pair of slippers.
Would have probably lose me foot.
More than likely.
I should imagine all the locals been at it.
It's a refugee from Wales.
Oh, what is it?
It will be.
Me. He's in a car and he slows down to about 3 miles an hour to go over a cattle grid.
Well, you could never be too careful.
Oh, not fond.
Full of fucking cattle.
Right, let's get that 360 recording for this view. 1 in 4 at bottom.
Ugh. Fucking open me visor, eye full of dust.
Lovely little church, right?
Church piggy.
He's not here. Yeah, I think this is a blue ball, isn't it? Yeah. Apparently, it's a lovely walk past that church up onto the cliff top.
Lovely
No.
Some great views.
I'd say rather nice. That's rather a large gash,
That is a big old gash, isn't it?
isn't it?
Get lost in there.
Large gas surrounded by bush.
Yeah. This, I think, is probably one of the nicest views there is. As you...
And where is it, Mike? What county is it in?
Extension of Dorset. The far reaches of Dorset.
Called North Devon.
Is this still Somerset, is it?
Definitely not Somerset. North Devon, isn't it?
You can hear a buzzard hovering around. Oh, the 360's on, so I'll be able to pan up to that.
Oh, look at you showing off, look. I could do it if I lie on my back.
I thought
11%.
that can't be Nick behind me because that bloke stood up and he can't be stood up because he hasn't got an adventure bike.
He hasn't got an adventure bike, see? Got to remember, this is an Africa Twin with a fairing on it.
Exactly. No difference at all there.
Couple of big here and
It's a
there.
low version, isn't it? It's like the Bentley's, isn't it? The X and the non-X.
Yeah.
God, smell their brakes. And there's us just been coming down with engine braking.
Yeah. How's the engine braking on yours, Nick?
Very good.
Because I haven't seen your brake light on.
Really?
There it is. Yeah,
There it
it's
is.
on.
Yeah, Bob's gone.
Again, sports mode for you, isn't it? You've got more
Yeah.
braking, haven't you?
No. that.
Well, I mean D.
There's your skip.
Yeah, something's got hot.
But you imagine it in that speed, that's going to be like a dead stop, isn't it?
Oh, fucking hell, yeah. I think I'd rather carry on down. Something soft.
Yeah, take your chances.
And there, look at it.
Fucking hell. Something like a Dukes of Hazzard.
Right, over there,
Yeah.
is a coffee shop.
Okay.
Whether we can park anywhere is another matter. Should we have a look?
Well, I'm sure we can park.
Look
Look at that, eh?
mate,
Well, them bikes are on the left. That's all bike
On the
parking.
left.
Yeah, it's all bike parking.
Yeah.
I think they've got a leak.
Hey?
I think they've got a leak. It's
Oh,
spread everywhere.
I thought you
I thought
said
you had a
got
leak.
a leak.
Oh, no.
I thought,
I'm still watching it.
has he been at a pigeon again?
Now then, what's old fucking Nige doing here?
I was going to go in there, but now
A 43-point turn.
I'm going to go in here because
He doesn't want to be next to that Harley.
No. He's just been an awkward bastard, isn't he?
What, on purpose?
as if.
Never.
It does annoy me that they put a coat spot right in front of the bike parking. So how the hell do you get out?
Yeah.
Oh no, I can't see at all.
Right hand down a bit.
Probably shuffle right back.
No, so I'll go between the Harley and the
That'll do it.
Z1000.
There's a lot of elderly down here sucking away on their ice creams.